Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing with another Wolfang action camera. This is the GA200. If you guys want to catch Peter Rabbit in action, this action camera's got your back. If you like large critters, small critters, this action camera can do it all. Did you say 4K? That's right, this action camera can record 4K Ultra HD. Very nice, guys. Alright guys, this is the action camera with a couple edits done. So with edits, this is the action camera with my custom edits. So for this video, we're going to go ahead and show you guys what you get in the package and then show you the footage. So dual screen, 24MP photo, 40M waterproof, 4K Ultra HD. So very nice presentation so far. This is the action camera. It comes in a waterproof housing case, which definitely is a must for those crazy video recorders like me, who love to throw their cameras in ponds and lakes and oceans and have some fun. Very nice looking. You go ahead and you pull this forward to pop it open, and then you pull this back to open up your case. All right guys, so this is the camera. You got your TF card slot and charging ports right there. You got the front view right there. Put your battery underneath it. You got buttons on the side, buttons on the top for turning it on, turning it off, and they give you all these different accessories, including 2 batteries and battery charging bay. Accessory, oh wait, oh no, you get 4 batteries. Wow, that is awesome. You guys can record non-stop for most of the day. Very nice.